Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I want to advise we parents and also you, parent to be. Kindly know that you are a role model to your children. Naam, you are a role model to your children. Whatever you are doing in front of your children, they will also be doing it. Don't be surprised whenever you see them doing it also. So if you're a kind of a person, if you're a kind of a parent that used to abuse, used to insult in front of your children, so don't be surprised when you also find them insulting others, insulting their mates, abusing others. So don't be surprised, because our actions speaks more than our mouth. Yes, whatever we are doing, you may not know, but wallahi, they are looking at you, they are seeing you, and also they want to be like you. So whatever you are doing, whatever you are saying, they will also be saying it, they will also be practicing it. So just let's try to build our children upon Islamic manners. Let's try to teach them what Islamic says about how they should behave in the society, and also how they should behave with their mates, how they should behave to elders and those who are their younger brothers and sisters. So let them build our children on Islamic perspective, on Islamic manner. May Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala assist us on that. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Muru awladakum wa hum abna'u sab'i sinin. Command your children to be observing prayer when they are at 7 years old. وَضْرِبُوهُمْ عَلَيْهَا وَهُمْ أَبْنَاءُ عَشْرٍ. And be beating them if they are not observing Salah. So if you are saying that you should beat them, you are not saying that you should harm them. Yes, because there is a far difference. There is a difference between beating and harming. So you won't beat them as if you hate them. No, you will let them have the feelings that you are not beating them for anything, but you are beating them because they don't worship Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you let them to have these feelings, not that you will be beating them, and don't beat them with angry. So this is what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us on how to train our children. So when you are beating them, let them know that you are beating them so that they can be serious about observing their salah. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam follows it by وَفَرِّقُوهُمْ فِي الْمَضَاجِعِ, and also separate their rooms. Yes, the boys should be sleeping in a room, and also the girls should be sleeping in another room. Hope you understand. Yes, so you should also separate their room. So listen to it again. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that وَفَرِّقُوا بَيْنَهُمْ فِي الْمَضَاجِعِ, separate their room. Even if you don't have ability, maybe you don't have much rooms, so just separate their bed. Yes, separate where they used to sleep. Hope you understand. Maybe you are having 2 rooms or 3 rooms, so try to separate their rooms, and also separate, even if you are having a single room, yes, you can separate their bed. Maybe the daughters will be sleeping with you and your mothers on the bed. I don't know how you want to do it, but I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may He provide for all of us. Please, if you are watching me right now, share this lecture, and also follow us on all social media platforms. We are on TikTok, we are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, we are on YouTube at Arridowy Lectures TV. I love you all for the sake of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.